Can't download applications from Play Store. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the error of downloading applications from Play Store. So without any delay, let's get started. Now we can download a lot of applications from Play Store, but sometimes we face problem of downloading it into our device. Why is that? Now there are a lot of reasons. One is the storage of our Google account. So to check that, we will click on the profile icon and then click on manage apps and devices. As you can see, my storage is almost full, so that might be the reason I'm not able to download the application. The other reason is that some applications are not available for the country we are living in right now. So to solve that problem, you can easily download a VPN and change the server and then download the application into your device. Last but not the least, some applications are not free and we need to pay for them. So we are not able to install those kind of applications. And that's all. Those were the three possible problems you might face while downloading any application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.